Y'all come on in. This is the outcome of that pie. I'm going to taste it. See what it's working with, what we dealing with. But I wanted to show it to y'all. Feels like it's going to be good. That part tastes good. See what it tastes like. Okay, good. That is really good. And it's different. That's good and it's different. You got that hint of that sweet, that corn in there. The spice of the jalapenos. You got a little hint of that cheese. You got a crust. Kind of like, I guess, I don't know, I guess like a shepherd's pie. But this is good. Yep, I'm double dipping because it's mine. And I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I'm going to taste this. This is actually tasted pretty good. So let's see. Because I just put it together. That's pretty good. That is really good. I can't eat no more, y'all, because I ate them tacos. But that's good. If you don't like no kick, don't put the jalapeno on it. But the cornbread hitting the taco meat with all that stuff inside that cornbread is good. And the way that meat set up in it, it's good. Let me let you see it. I'm going to get off of here. And it's really good. Like, look at it. That is really good. I kid you not. That's a whole meal. And you still could top it with sour cream. You can have some Miss Gloria Kelly. It is unique, Willie. But it's good. Well, y'all know I don't want to eat till I get sick. So I'm not. But I just want y'all to come by and see that it turned out good. See? It's really good. I really must say. And it's hot. I just took it out the oven. So I know it's going to congeal even more. The recipe is in my head. All I did for the recipe is I took the ground beef and I put the taco seasonings in it with bell peppers and onions. And I made taco meat. And then you drain it. And then I took 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. And if it's just you, use 1. I used 1 can of Mexican cornbread, Mexican mix, the can of Mexican corn. And I used 1 cream corn. I used Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 1 egg. So I use Jiffy corn mix, Mexican corn, yellow cream style corn, 1 stick of butter, 1 egg. You can use 2 if you want to. And I use sour cream. You gotta have sour cream, because sour cream is your milk. And I used just a little cream cheese and cheddar cheese. And then I took and folded it all together. And this is what it turned out to be. I folded it all together. And I ended up getting this amazing, very good, very delicious and you can leave the cream cheese off if you want to. I'm sure it tastes good without it. That was good. The jalapenos give it a kick. So if you don't like spicy stuff, leave the jalapenos off. All right? I just want y'all to see it. No, it's not greasy. Not greasy on the inside or anything. All right, that's it. And that's all. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Join me today. Let me show y'all that just came on, my new glasses. I'm about to go into Bible study at 4:30 on Mama's Comfort Cooking page. Bible study with Mama's Comfort Cooking. Also, we have the reunion up on www.mamascomfortcooking.com. You can register for the reunion if you like to. www.mamascomfortcooking.com. It's going to be a 3-day weekend reunion for the people on my page, my friends and family here. And it's also going to be, you will get a discount code for the hotels. You're going to get so many amazing things and opportunities to win so many things. You have to have everything paid by March 31st of 2023. After March 31st of 2023, we're not going to take any more registrations, because we're going to start processing everything to determine how much we can do and give and so forth. That's the announcements I have for the day. So we got to govern ourselves accordingly. Please make sure you join Tracy K. Mitchell. I am Tracy K. Mitchell, and you are my family. And I've got to go work on Bridget Stevenson some stuff. It is the holidays, and Bridget been waiting all year. Y'all pray for Bridget. Why the Lord won't let me make Bridget these? You think she gonna eat them all up? Hey, Tashawn Jackson. Hey everybody. Thank you, Jackie Thomas. Look, I've already cooked for y'all. Thank you. And I'm still squinting my eyes and I can see. I think that's a habit. You like the frame, Bridget? Them glasses look. Thank y'all. Well, look, y'all, I got an incoming call. I love y'all. Let me get it. I see y'all later, alligators. Thank y'all for saying it. I appreciate it. I love you, Roberta. Yes, I do. I'm going to get off of here because I got Bible study at 4:30 on Bible study on Mama's Comfort Cooking page. And so I got to go in here and start getting my lesson together. All right. I see y'all later, alligators.